Hello, I'm Caroline, and today I'm going to be unboxing this kit. It's called Jolly Phonics Extra, and it's a kit that's designed to support children who need that extra bit of help in their literacy and their reading. So first of all, let's get the box open, see what's inside it, and then see how everything works. So I think the first thing to do is to figure out how the pen works. How easy will this be? Okay, I have a charger, that's a good start. And here's the pen itself. Okay, so I guess I have to charge it up. I just need to put the other end into a computer or a USB port. I'll be back. And just like that, I have charged it. It only took half an hour, didn't take long. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so let's try what happens with the letter sound book. So the idea is you touch parts with the talking pen and things happen. So let's try the sound. There you go. A question?
What animal makes a s sound?
This one here should explain the letter formation. Let's see.
You write a s like this. Start at the dot and slither around.
There's a song.
The snake is in the grass.
And touching any other object on the page should tell you what the object is. So let's try
Sun.
And
Snail.
so if we move along through the book a little bit and we get some words here.
Men.
So that's teaching blending there. Okay, shall we try some of the reading books now? Let's have a look. Animal chatter.
Ribbit, said the frog, lost in the fog.
The idea is to engage with the text, develop their comprehension skills, answer questions and quizzes, and hear the story if they can't read it for themselves.
You said.
That's handy because obviously tricky words can't be decoded. Okay, let's try the flashcards. Okay, so there's lots in here.
Or.
You can see how a child will be engaged with this for hours, can't you? So the idea is, I guess, that you can test yourself first. I think that might be T. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I'm right. Okay, there is also a microphone feature here.
Recording.
The snake is in the grass.
The snake is in the grass.
Wow.
The snake is in the grass.
Sorry, that's really cool. Okay, so the aim of this pack and this clever little gadget here is to provide extra support for children who need it, whether they are overseas learners, English isn't their first language, or if they just have special needs in some way, they just need that extra bit of support in small groups, one-to-one, or even to sit on their own and just listen. And then obviously the all-important guide, instructions on how to use the pack, and a guide on how the talking pen works. If you would like to get your hands on a Jolly Phonics Extra kit and one of these clever little things, then just go to the website jollylearning.co.uk and you can pick one up.
Bye-bye.